Production leveling is a method of scheduling that aims to level out and manage the constant changes in demand. One key to production leveling is that it provides a way for people to produce different products and meet customers' needs without overproducing and building stockpiles of inventory. While the details of level production may be unique to each company, there are really two foundational methods that are used to schedule. Both are based around the measurement of takt time. Let's look briefly at each method. The first is paced withdrawal. Paced withdrawal uses scheduling boards to visually show what needs to be withdrawn and when. The boards are sometimes on a calendar, whiteboard, or overhead display that everyone can see. The paced withdrawal boards are typically set up to show each hour of withdrawal, but companies may experiment with other formats as well. The second method is Heijunka. Heijunka technique is used to assist and in many ways facilitate just-in-time production. Heijunka is often used to smooth out production both internally and externally. The Heijunka technique works by using a Heijunka box. The Heijunka box typically lists products down the left-hand side and time intervals across the top or bottom. Kanban cards, routers, or another trigger are then placed in the appropriate box and time for workers to act on. This helps workers to visually manage what needs to be done and when. Leveled production schedules, whether Heijunka or paced withdrawal, are always driven from the last step in the process. This creates a situation where the final process step can determine how many of each product or service is needed to meet the demands of the customer. When the final step has calculated how many each product or service is needed, you can then evenly mix the demand. This gives a company the ability to produce items that are mixed and not in large lot sizes. With a general overview of these two leveling methods, let's now dig into another foundational piece of the just-in-time puzzle. We'll see you in the next video.